Open your favorite browser and type CTT Tool, which is the Christitos tool. Click on the first link that appears and scroll down. Copy the one command. And then minimize the window and then click on the Windows search icon. Type Windows PowerShell and run as administrator. Click on yes to continue. Paste the Christitos tool link and then press enter on your keyboard. Wait for a while as it reads the file. This will open the Christitos windows. Click on the tweak toolbar, scroll down and then click on add and activate ultimate performance profile, which is a power plan. Now head to the recommended selections and then check standard. Scroll down and then click on run tweaks. Wait for a while as the tweaks are being run in the Windows PowerShell. After completion, you get to see a list of items that have been disabled. Next, right-click on the Windows icon and click on Run. Now type in %10% and click OK. Highlight all the files, right-click and then delete them. Check the box for do this for all current items and click Continue. Right-click on the Windows icon again and then select Run. Type Prefetch and click OK. Click on Continue. Highlight everything, right-click and then click on Delete. Right-click on the Start menu icon once again and then click on Run. Type in temp, then click OK. Click on Continue. Highlight everything and then delete. After completion, restart your PC for the effect to take place. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.